So here we are at Pontio in Bangor for the first day of the Byw a Bod Digidol group. So today, because it's the first day, is spent on getting to know each other, so the group's been introducing themselves and learning more about themselves. And we've started straight away to tackle the challenge that's been set for them. This challenge has come around from what Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig has noticed or heard from companies in the area, which is they've heard that they struggle or find it difficult sometimes to recruit local people with these skills in the STEM sectors, that's science, technology, engineering and maths, and digital technology as well. And on the other hand, Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig and Arloesi Môn have heard that young people have the perception that there's very few opportunities in the area in these sectors. So the challenge the group has is to try and bridge this gap and see what can be done so that employers know more about local young people and local skills available, and for the young people to be aware of the opportunities that's available.
Brian Rhys-Jones ydw i, a ngwaith i ydy trio denu cwmnïau, wedi cwmnïau gwarthuchel a swyddi gwarthuchel i Gwynedd. Dwi'n newydd bod yn siarad efo'r myfyrwyr sy'n gwneud y gwaith yma felly, ac yn ysbysu nhw be ydy'r broblem o drio cael pobl efo'r sgiliau ICT i'r holl gwmnïau sydd yn Gwynedd, sydd yn tyfu ac yn chwilio am hynny felly. Yr her ydy fwyaf ydy cael y neges allan, achos mae'r cwmnïau yma'n brysur, dyn nhw ddim efo'r amser i fynd allan ati i hela y pobl efo'r sgiliau iawn.
Nenw i di Keo Harry Hughes, dwi o Nilas Moldwy, a heddiw dwi wedi bod yn siarad efo criw newydd efo'r prosiect Byw a Bod Digidol ynglyn â be nathon ni wneud llynedd, a jyst rhoi bach o tips iddyn nhw ar be maen nhw'n mynd i wneud a sut i ddelio efo be bynnag sy'n dod fyny.
So they've got 10 weeks to work on this and will be coming to an end with a conference on September the 1st, and everybody is welcome to come along to that conference. So respond to the Facebook page or the Twitter page or ring the office to register your place in the conference on September the 1st.